let's try this again. Ready, watch. You can do it. Boise, come here. Boise, come on. See? See how easy that is? A good boy. I said you go boy. Okay, ready? Let's do it again. Now, come on. Okay, let's try this way. Come on. Bounty. Hey. Over here, mister. Come to mama. Come get you, mommy. Ah, come on. You said you go boy.
We made it like 50 feet in the last 20 minutes. Like 50.
Let's do it again. Come on. Get Bailey. Get Bailey. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Madison! You've shamed this dog enough.
He's so dumb.
Get the others. Get the others. Call him, honey.
Come on, Bonesy. Come on, come on.
Come on, go get Daddy. Let's go get Daddy.
Come on.
Maybe he's cold.
No,
No.
I've done this dead summer. He's making more progress than he ever has before, though. Usually he just lays
Why is he so afraid of the road?
He's just afraid of walking.
I don't know.
Tear ass around like a lawn, but he didn't want to be walking.
I'm thinking puppy therapy.
I think
Really?
he's gonna
I don't know.
go to a therapist. Traumatized.
Okay, I'm up to 1:30 already. I think I'm done. Bones, you gonna walk at all? No? Alright.